Blockchain technology can revolutionize how we manage and track land ownership and other assets. Telangana government, for instance, has showed us how blockchain technology help overcome the challenges of land registry. Today we are going to talk about a use case on land registry system based on blockchain technology. With an increasing number of fraud related to land registries, identification of the correct title and owner seems to have become a very big problem. Another challenge is the production of fake documents and putting control and checks on insider attacks, such as the same piece of land or property being sold to multiple people. So how does blockchain technology help curb the problems that we face during the manual property registration process? Our current registration process is time-consuming, involves multiple mediators, which makes the entire process expensive for landowners. In addition to that, there is a lack of transparency in the system that can result into maximum fraud by allowing the same portion of the property being sold to multiple buyers and thereby leading to multiple ownerships of the land. Given these challenges, we have categorized the primary issues into three broad aspects in this use case: double registration, producing fake documents for registration, and insider attacks or traditional database related attacks. Using blockchain technology. Blockchain in the land registry is utilized for secure transfer of property. The concept of smart contracts enables updating of the record automatically. Otherwise, the ownership is transferred to the buyer through an application form. A land registry using blockchain provides a unique solution. Let's take a look how. The transaction once recorded cannot be changed. The central authority does not control the transaction. The transaction remains safe and secure in case of a security breach, as every node or computer on the blockchain network maintains an identical copy of the transaction. The transaction is transparent and can be reviewed by anyone who has access to it. Before Property Registration Management System (PRMS), the database was centralized, and now post PRMS, the database is distributed, which has increased the safety of the land records database. Computer code like smart contracts builds trust in the transaction. One use case for a land registry system based on blockchain technology is to create a secure and transparent system for recording and tracking property ownership. The system would use a blockchain network to store and track all transactions related to a piece of property, including ownership transfers, mortgages, and other information. This would be beneficial in situations where there is a need for secure and a tamper-proof record keeping, such as in states where land ownership is in dispute or where there is high incidence of fraud. By using a decentralized and distributed system, the land registry would be more resistant to tampering and hacking, making it more secure than traditional centralized systems. Additionally, the transparency provided by the blockchain network would also make it easier for individuals and organizations to verify property ownership, which can help prevent fraud and disputes. The use of blockchain in the real world is referred to as blockchain-based applications. In this context, as mentioned earlier, the Telangana government has become a well-known use case where blockchain technology helped resolve current land registry problems. In October 2020, the government of Telangana implemented a property registration management system (PRMS) based on blockchain and deployed it at Shamshabad district of Telangana by digitization and automation of land records. The system could be used to store all the information related to a piece of land, such as ownership details, land dimensions, and transaction history. This information would be stored on the blockchain network and would be accessible to authorized government officials as well as the landowners, making it easier to verify the ownership of a piece of land. PRMS system uses Hyperledger Fabric, which is intended as a foundation for developing applications or solutions with a modular architecture. Distributed ledger, also called shared ledger or distributed ledger technology, is the consensus of replicated, shared, and synchronized digital data that is geographically distributed across many sites, states, or institutions in the PRMS. Here are some key features that a distributed ledger system has. It allows components such as consensus and membership services to be plug and play. Its modular and versatile design satisfies a broad range of industry use cases. It offers a unique approach to a consensus that enables performance at scale while preserving a private platform for implementation. Citizens can access this platform by registering. In the PRMS system, all relevant data such as slip report data, document data, etc. is populated on the blockchain in a time-stamped manner. This system could also be used to automate the process of registering land transactions, such as the transfer of ownership or the recording of mortgages. This would reduce the time and cost associated with these transactions and would make the process more efficient and less prone to errors. There are several benefits and impacts of land registry system based on blockchain technology. Number 1. Security. Blockchain technology is decentralized and distributed, which makes it more resistant to tampering and hacking. This ensures that land records are secure and tamper-proof, preventing fraud and disputes. Number 2. Transparency. Blockchain technology provides transparency, making it easier for individuals and organizations to verify property ownership. This can help to prevent frauds and disputes and also make the process of buying and selling property more efficient. Number 3. Efficiency. Blockchain-based land registry systems can automate many of the processes involved in registering land transactions, such as the transfer of ownership or the recording of mortgages. This can reduce the time and cost associated with these transactions and make the process more efficient and less prone to errors. Number 4. Interoperability. Blockchain network could also be integrated with other government systems such as the tax department, which would enable automatic updates of property tax records based on land transactions. Number 5. Accessibility. By digitizing land records and storing them on a blockchain network, it becomes much easier for individuals to access their land records and prove their ownership of a piece of land. This can be especially beneficial for people in remote areas or people who lack the resources to access traditional land registry systems. And finally, number 6, cost effectiveness. Blockchain technology can save money, reduce corruption, and increase the speed of transactions and access to information, which makes it cost-effective and a good choice within limited resources. In summary, a land registry system based on blockchain technology can provide a secure, transparent, and efficient way to track and verify property ownership, which can lead to a reduction in fraud and disputes, increased transparency and efficiency in land registry operations, and cost-effective solutions. Hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to tune in to our other video case studies.